In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is just copy whatever text, image, whatever you want to copy. Right click and copy or tap Control C on your keyboard. Then go to the destination location and then right click wherever you want to paste it and select paste, Control V, or you can paste without formatting if you didn't want to paste that over along with it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.